journaling, diarying, writing, and London. Anyway, I need to catch a train, so let's go.
I was taken on a trip around London with Brit Movie Tours to see where Bridget Jones used to hang out. I got the train to Temple Station in London and met everyone outside. There were very different personalities in the group, which was so wholesome. The sun was shining brightly as we began to walk through London. Many of us can relate to Bridget Jones, me included, and the way that life has its ups and downs when woven through it. The fact that she kept a diary was even more exciting for me, as I'm a huge fan of daily journaling. Our guide was incredible, and she was so full of knowledge, and she showed us to the place where Mark Darcy had his office. She showed us photos of the scenes, like in stills on a folder, which were filmed where we were standing. So this little nook in central London was tucked away and it was totally silent through there. I was astounded to find such beautiful places off the beaten track in London. We were told there's a new Bridget Jones film coming out on Valentine's Day next year, 2025. Bridget had 2 children, Mabel and Billy, and the storyline is based on About a Boy. To my surprise, we hopped on a tube to go to the next place. To my delight, we stopped outside of a Mont Blanc shop. I'm a proud owner of a Mont Blanc pen. This is where Mark went to buy Bridget a new diary at the end of the first film when it was snowing.
Your knickers, right? And only this kind of cardigan thing she has on top, right? So this is right here where we're standing. So she's running along here. No, wait, let me see. So it's coming from the side here. So let me show you this one first, just to orient, and then we'll have a look. So you can see the post box is a bit further down here. And I think in one of the other, it's a different color, but the old water fountain is there, the old drinking fountain.
A man of very, very fine taste.
Jones's baby, and we have Bridget walking over the bridge. You can see by the very distinctive coloring of the bridge, the green and the yellow. But if you look, she's going to...
We arrived at Borough Market, which is where Bridget lived. It was bustling, busy and beautifully London. I hadn't realised she lived in the shadow of the Shard. It had always been my dream to have dinner at the Shard, and I wondered if I should take myself. I decided to keep the faith that maybe I would be taken there by my very own Mark Darcy, who liked me just as I am.
You guys see it? Yeah. Amazing, huh? And then we also have, of course, the scenes in the rain. Oh, yeah.
Wrote to you a simple text, reminiscing about the time when we first met. I don't know what is good enough, 'cause very little by little.
So we're in the thick of the tourist area. That's it, it's over now. It was a really interesting tour. I hope you enjoyed it as well. Go and check them out. I'll put links and stuff below if you need to see them. So I'm just going to film to show you what London can look like in case you've only ever been here when it's rainy and winter, but look, it comes alive. It's a gorgeous summer day today, so I'm going to go for some dinner and talk to you a little bit more about things.
Down, little by little, my actions won't be forgiven. I wish I could be sorry for the things that caused you harm, but nothing I can say or do.
So while this is not a part of the tour, it is a part of the vlog. Look at these amazing lavatories. You might have seen me come here before. So I just brought myself up for a very bougie dinner. Let me see what else I can show you.
In your heart to end it all, you're better off alone. Sincerely.
Sitting in the ivy, reflecting for a moment, I felt huge gratitude for the reward that YouTube gave me by sending me here on this tour. It was a surreal feeling to think that this is my life now.
What a bougie day I've had, haven't I? It feels like quite incredible. This is my life. This is me working today. I'm going to try and run to get the train if I can, although my legs don't want to work anymore, but I've got to go home. There's something that is a pressing issue on a Friday night that I need to get back for. I don't feel very well, but let's go do it. We got this. Amazing. If you love this vlog, please do give it a thumbs up and support my channel, and I'll see you in the next one.
I wish I could be sorry for the things that caused you